In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Expedia One Key rewards. We'll walk through finding the official One Key page, signing in or joining, and understanding what happens to your membership status, including how the tiers work. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can start earning right away. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Expedia One Key. You're looking for the official Expedia result. Scanning the results, skip anything that looks like an ad or a third-party blog. This helps ensure you land directly on the correct page, with the most up-to-date information from Expedia itself. Now, select the first trusted result you see, or specifically, the link whose address includes expedia.com Welcome One Key. That Welcome One Key part in the URL is a strong sign you're on the right path. When the page opens, take a moment to confirm you're actually on Expedia's site by checking the web address and the secure padlock in your browser. On the One Key page, look for the Sign In button and click it. If you already have an Expedia account, or you were previously part of Expedia or Hotels.com rewards, your account is typically converted to One Key automatically. In many cases, simply signing in will reveal your new One Key membership status without any extra steps. If you're new to Expedia, the sign-in screen also gives you the option to create an account or join. Go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. It's straightforward, and once you complete that flow, you'll be ready to start earning within the One Key program. Once you've joined, you'll begin in the blue tier. From there, you can move up by earning trip elements within a calendar year. You reach silver at 5 trip elements, gold at 15, and platinum at 30. Think of trip elements as the way Expedia tracks your eligible travel activity. The One Key page outlines exactly what counts, so review those details to plan your bookings strategically. Remember, progress is measured within the calendar year, so keep an eye on your account dashboard to see how close you are to the next tier. As you move up, you'll unlock increasingly valuable benefits tied to those tiers, which can make a real difference if you travel a few times a year or more. That's it. Search for Expedia One Key, open the official page, click, sign in, and you're in. From there, just keep an eye on your trip elements and watch your status grow. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.